Hi, it's Connie in Bodhanath, Nepal. So today I want to talk about 4 types of Tibetan sentences. Now that you know a little bit about verbs, let's talk about the way that these verbs can be used. Now, every Tibetan sentence, and I really do mean every Tibetan sentence, can be simplified into one of 4 forms. So let's start with the existential verbs. These are the verbs ye and me. These can be written in the structure subject existential verb. A shortened way of thinking about this, which you see on your handout, is s ye. So there might be other elements in the sentence. There might be adjectives, adverbs, other modifiers, but the most crucial elements in the sentence are the subject and the existential verb. Now the verb, like I said, doesn't necessarily have to be ye. This is just a shorthand on your handout for memorizing it. With copular verbs, you have subject, predicate, yin. They all follow this structure. Again, there may be other words. The subject might be omitted if it's clear from context, but in its most basic form, any sentence that has a copular verb is going to be in the structure subject, predicate, yin. Transitive verbs consist of an agent marked by an instrumental particle followed by an object and then the transitive verb. And you can see the shorthand for that on your handout. Finally, intransitive verbs are just the agent and the verb. You have the agent and the verb, but you don't have a direct object, so there's no need for an instrumental particle to mark the agent. Now, as you begin to look at Tibetan sentences, start by looking at the verb at the end. If you can identify what type of verb it is, then you can look for the other elements in the sentence that should go along with it, like subjects, direct objects, other things like that, instrumental particles. And then you can fill in the rest from there. And don't worry, you'll have a lot of time to practice this as we go on throughout the rest of the semester.